Here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with Chief Forecaster Bob McGuire.
Good evening, everybody. We're going to start off tonight with a picture from Coral Barthuli. This was sunrise. She says, good morning. Yeah, it was a good-looking morning. I'm not sure where this was. Looks like it could have been in the Bilings area somewhere. She didn't say, but still cool-looking picture. And look at this one here. This comes from Floyd Houston Tillery. This is the fall colors on display in the South Fork, Southwest Dakota. And look at that. Oh, yeah, it looks beautiful out there. Now, here's the way it looks in Billings right now. Tonight, currently, we have mostly cloudy skies, 46 degrees. Really not that bad. Winds are out of the north, though, at about 18 miles per hour. Gives us a wind chill factor that feels like 39 degrees. You know what? That's the first time I've talked about wind chill factor this year. 39 degrees tonight. Well, let's move on and show you. We did have 60 degrees for your high temperature. 65 is your normal high. The record 86 back in 1943. Record low 25 back in 1950. And as far as precipitation, yeah, we had 1/100th of an inch of rain this afternoon. That's the first batch of rain we've had for the month of October. So here's where we are for the year 1717. Only to be at 1145. And you'll notice our current temperatures are starting to cool down up in across the high line into the 30s out here right now. A lot of cold air starting to come over the state line, over the border from Canada, kind of making its way in towards north central Montana. Elsewhere, a lot of 40s, some 50s, and still a few low 60s over at Cody and Worland. So the farther south this stuff goes, the farther south that rain and snow is starting to make its way into the region. These are our reported highs for the day. And look at this. Only got up to 36 at Cutbank today, 50s over here. Right through here, kind of 40s and 50s. A little bit farther south, more like the 60s. But look at this, Worland, 84 degrees today. Sheridan was 78. It was a beautiful day there. But here's our story tonight. You'll see several kind of streaks of rainfall. These are called jet streaks as they make their way across the region, because that's exactly where the jet stream is tonight. Take a look. You can see it here. It's coming back down around Canada. And as this jet stream drops a little bit farther south, it allows more cool air and more moisture to move in towards the northwest corner of the state. Meanwhile, this low pressure cell offshore is slinging a lot of moisture in towards the Great Basin area. Eventually starts slinging it up towards Montana. So that could be a player later on in a few more days. But in the meantime, here's our cold front tonight. It's got a little rain with it as it makes its way near Billings. Scattered snow showers moving into the northwest corner. And remember, the jet streams are swimming this way. So instead of this low dropping much farther south, what it's going to do is going to go straight across this way. And then eventually by tomorrow morning, the cold front, another cold front behind that low starts moving in, and we'll see high pressure push into the region, kind of clears out the skies and pushes that cold front out of the way. Then by the time Thursday gets here comes the next low pressure cell. It starts slinging moisture right up in towards Montana, and you'll see by 6 p.m. Thursday we're seeing more scattered rain showers coming up from Yellowstone Park right on into the Billings area. So we'll see what happens after that. As far as precipitation, looks like most of it's going to stay across the high line for snowfall. Maybe 3 inches at Cutbank, 1 inch over at Glasgow, maybe 1 inch over at Bozeman, over here in the Gallatin and the Beartooth arrangement. Everyone else is going to probably just get a few scattered rain showers. In fact, here in Billings, we'll wind up Thursday night with about 7/100ths of an inch of rain. Miles City, about 3/100ths of an inch. So tonight, our temps cool back down to the 30s out west, 30s and 40s back here in the east, with scattered rain showers still possible tonight. Then elsewhere tomorrow, back to the 40s and 50s, 53 in Billings in the far west, 55 out there. And tonight in Billings, it'll be 43 degrees with mostly cloudy skies. About a 40% chance for some more possible rain showers tonight in Billings, probably after 3 a.m. And then we'll wind up with 40% chance for rain in the morning, sunshine in the afternoon on Wednesday, 53. Good chance for rain on Thursday, slight chance for rain on mixing with snow on Friday, 53 degrees. Then on Saturday and Sunday, back to the 40s with a slight chance of rain mixing with snow. And then back up to the low 40s right on through Columbus Day into Tuesday. That's weather. Let's go back to Jay.